Now let's understand what is ABAP on HANA is all about, right? So let's try to understand that part. ABAP on HANA system. ABAP on HANA system. Now I believe it is a pretty clear what is HANA and what is it is all about, what are the features, what is code to data paradigm, what is let's say uh, what was it is column store and row store, right? All of these things are
Yes.
clear. So
Yes.
if I talk about this ABAP on HANA system, what you will see is SAP launched their NetWeaver. NetWeaver, yeah, it is correct. NetWeaver 7.4 version, who has the support for direct connectivity. SAP launched their 7.4 version, who has the support for direct connectivity of ABAP system with the HANA database. And for that, the minimum version that we need is HANA support pack 6, which was earlier used. Now it has also been updated, SP6. So SAP launched their 7.4 version of the SAP system. That's why when we were discussing about our new ABAP syntax, there I wrote 7.4 and 7.5 version. So 7 point in version 7.4 version coming into picture. SAP has the support of direct connectivity with the HANA database, and they for that they have also given the minimum support pack of HANA was SP6. So sometime we are a little bit confused. We are not able to understand what is HANA, what is BAP on HANA, what is the difference between them, right? So that is something we need to understand. Is ABAP on HANA is the technology. First thing, ABAP on HANA is the technology in which we need the minimum version 7.4 of SAP NetWeaver. SAP NetWeaver. Okay. ABAP on HANA is the technology, and using this technology and technology using this ABAP on HANA technology, lots of solutions, lots of solutions were made by SAP. Lots of solutions were made by SAP. So just give me 2 minutes. All right.
Yes.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
It works.
okay. Sorry for the disturbance. So using this ABAP on HANA technology, what SAP did is lots of solutions were made by SAP. You might have heard about, for example, let's say Suite on HANA. You have heard about it. SRM on HANA. All of them are the solution which were built on the top of this ABAP on HANA technology. So SRM on HANA, CRM on HANA, LM on HANA, LM on HANA, HCM on HANA, ECC on HANA also. So they had given the connector of the 7.4 version which was used. Okay. So overall, what is ABAP on HANA? So overall, ABAP on HANA is the technology and suite on HANA which was built is the solution, or you can say product also, which was built on the top of this technology, which was built on the top of this technology. But this over the period of time, what SAP realized that this suite of HANA was not a big success. This was not a good product. So suite on HANA was not a big success. A big success. Not a big success. Why? So in case of suite on HANA, lots of tables were still following the row store concept. This row store concepts, lots of secondary indexes were still being used. So this solution was not a big success. So since this solution was not a big success for SAP, that is why in 2015 SAP came with another solution. In 2015, and they named it S4 HANA. Which version we are using, Mukul? Which version we are using? S4 HANA version we are using, right? What is S4 HANA? S4 HANA is the solution, right? Built by SAP, launched in 2015. Why? Because its previous version, Suite on HANA, which was not good, not much efficient, so they created its updated version by removing all these problems on which technology? ABAP on HANA technology, right? ABAP on HANA technology. So very important for HANA. Even if we are working on it, we don't know what it is, right? We just tell to everyone that we are working on S4 HANA, but do we know, do we all have enough proper definition for it? No, definitely not. So that is the most crucial part. What is this S4 HANA? S here simply means simplified. Four is fourth generation. So your fourth generation product was already Suite on HANA, but they created its extended version and more updated version, and they named it simplified fourth generation. So earlier, all these things, all these lots of products where different solutions were there, they combined them together into this S4 HANA. So simplified fourth generation. So SAP launched its fourth generation software in 2015, which was named S4HANA, which only and only works, only and only works on the HANA DB. Is it clear?
Yes.
Right? So if you are working on S4HANA simplified 4th generation version, then it will only support on HANA database. So overall, the simplest definition of S4HANA is S4HANA is a solution which was built on the top of ABAP and HANA technology, and which only and only works on HANA database, right? HANA database. So this S4HANA system, this S4HANA system is available on both on-premise and cloud as well. So from the last year, they started to promote the cloud part only. They have simply they are requesting their every customer to only use the cloud version instead of going for on-premise system. So last year 2023, I'm talking about 2024. Okay, so over that period of time, lots of changes are being made, but for our training, on-premise is more than sufficient. We don't need to go for that cloud. That is some separate RESTful application programming model. So for on-premise system setup, we are required to use our own hardware, right? Hardware setup, and we also need a separate basis team to manage it, right? We also need that thing.